Here we will see profile properties in server-side state management techniques of ASP.NET. The ASP.NET Profile feature provides a generic storage system that allows user to define and maintain almost any kind of data while making the data available in a type-safety manner. ASP.NET provides a feature called Profile Properties, which allows user to store user-specific data. It is similar to session state, except that unlike session state, the profile data is not lost when a user session expires. The Profile Properties features uses an ASP.NET profile, which is stored in persistent format and associated with an individual user. The ASP.NET profile allows user to easily manage user information without requiring user to create and maintain his own database. In addition, the profile makes the user information available using a strongly typed API that you can access from anywhere in your application. You can store objects of any type in the profile. The ASP.NET Profile feature provides a generic storage system that allows user to define and maintain almost any kind of data. Data available in a type-safety manner with the profile properties. To use profile properties, you must configure a profile provider. ASP.NET uses a SQL Profile Provider class that allows user to store profile data in a SQL database. But you can also create your own Profile Provider class that stores profile data in a custom format and to a custom storage mechanism such as an XML file or even a web service. Because data that is placed in a profile properties is not stored in application memory, it is preserved through IIS, that is Internet Information Services restarts and worker process restarts without losing data. Additionally, profile properties can be persisted across multiple processes such as in a web form or a web garden. Defining a profile property. To define the postal code property in a web.config file, following syntax is used. Profile properties and add name the postal code, which is a profile property. And to save a profile value, we will define profile.postalcode equal to txt postal code dot text. That is, the value of text box txt postal code is assigned to profile.postalcode. Next, we will see advantages of profile properties. First is data persistence. Data placed in a profile properties is preserved through IIS restarts and worker process restarts without losing data because the data is stored in external mechanism. Next is platform scalability. Profile properties can be used in both multi-computer and multi-process configurations, therefore optimizing scalability scenarios. Then extensibility. In order to use profile properties, you must configure a profile provider. You can store data using SQL Profile Provider class or to a custom storage mechanism such as XML file or web service. Next, we will see disadvantages of using profile properties. First is performance considerations. Profile properties are generally slower than using session state because instead of storing data in memory, the data is persisted to a data store. Then additional configuration requirements. Unlike session state, the profile properties feature requires a considerable amount of configuration to use. To use profile properties, you must not only configure a profile provider but you must pre-configure all of the profile properties that you want to store. Next, data maintenance. Profile properties require a certain amount of maintenance. Because profile data is persisted to a non-volatile storage, you must make sure that your application calls the appropriate cleanup mechanisms, which are provided by the profile provider when data becomes stale.